'Cause dreams can be hard, and I don't wanna leave, and I'll touch the sky. I just wanna dream, 'cause dreams can be hard, and I don't wanna leave, and I'll touch the sky. I just wanna dream.
Good evening, everyone. Can I request everybody to bow down and please close your eyes? Let us all pray. Father God, as we stand before you on this special night, we ask you to bless these three lovely people celebrating a milestone year. May good health, success, true friendship, and love follow them and those they hold dear to their hearts. May you continue to bless this new part of their journey, and may your watchful eyes gaze upon their every step. May they be always aware of your guidance, and may they live within your grace. Bless everyone here in this ballroom. Bless the food we are about to partake, and may this evening be something we always remember with joy and fondness. Father in heaven, God of love, all that we are and have is yours. Grant that we may be signs of your compassion in this world, and grant us the faith to live our lives always in your loving presence. In the mighty name of your Son, Jesus, amen.
And welcome to tonight's the joint 60th birthday celebration of our beloved friends, Ronnie, Bobby, and Johnny. And we are your hosts this evening. Ako po si Demi.
And ako po si Sonia.
Sorry guys, and for the Japanese, we will be celebrate ang kanilang 60th birthday. In fact, may words sila for it. Kanreki.
Kanreki.
Yes.
Kanreki wa ini wa nani desu ka?
Kanreki means return to the calendar. Kasi at 60 years old, nakapag-full cycle ka na dapat sa Chinese calendar. Having gone through the 5 elements and the 12 animal signs of the Chinese zodiac. Thus, returning to your original curfew.
So desu ka? So desu ka? Yes. So, Year of the Fire, of course. Pala, pinanganak ang mga celebrants natin.
Correct. Their completion of a full 60-year zodiac cycle symbolizes a rebirth and marks a fresh start for them. Traditionally, celebrants wear red to signify longevity, luck, and to ward off evil as they return to their birth of zodiac. Parang mga aka-chan or babies in Nihongo. Kaya aka kasi red.
Yes, apat siya.
Yes.
Kaya pala sila,
Nakapula.
nakapula at lahat ay pinag-black and white
Yes.
nila.
Para lutang na lutang. Ganun na nga yan. And to help celebrate our celebrants and make a fresh new start, let us begin tonight's celebration.
Celebration.
Yes.
Yes. Palakpakan tayo. Gutom na po ba kayo? Isa pa. Yes. Well, ayon sa ating celebrants, there is no such thing as free dinner. So, we all have to earn our right to queue at the buffet table. Kaya,
Mag-iikot po kami sa mga tables nyo and ask you trivia questions about our celebrants na almost impossible na hindi nyo alam ang sagot. Well, test na rin ito on how well you know them.
yes, at pag may nakabigay ng tamang sagot, the whole table gets to have a photo op with the pertinent celebrant or celebrant on stage before they queue at the buffet table. Waliwanag po ba ang game rules? Kailangan po makasagot ng tama regarding sa mga tanong namin. And minasang wakarimasu, does everybody understand? Or isa pa? Okay, game na ba kayo?
Game na game na!
Okay, let's start it. Can we go?
Yes, may we have a mic for the question. Sino sa mga celebrants tonight ang na-caught in the act ng guidance counselor during a retreat?
John P.
Yes. Wala nang iba. Correct po.
In which city in Japan that Bobby met her ex-husband? Oh, yes, may tama kayo. And you deserve to have a photo op with the celebrant. Nakita sa stage and nasa buffet.
Question. Sino yung typewriting teacher sa high school na sinasabi nilang kamukha ni Nori?
Mrs. Bola.
Parang hindi. Mrs. Bolan po ba, Nori? Typewriting teacher. O mukha ng typewriter yung teacher? Ha? Miss Victor daw po. O, tama na rin yan. Oh, teacher ko kayo later.
Japan did Nori work as an overseas performing artist for the first time. First time. Hindi ka na. Hiroshima Academy! May tama kayo. Yes!
We will all be born again when the winter days are dead and we shed our silhouettes. We will all be born again. We are beautiful. We are beautiful. We are beautiful. Oh, I had a dream last night
Musicians Manila for entertaining us early.
Thank you, the couple. Sige, let's go to our business. On this evening of timeless, elegance, and enduring friendship, we celebrate three extraordinary women. Nori, Bobby, and Jonty, each marking 60 remarkable years of life, 3 journeys, 3 stories, and 1 unforgettable milestone.
Our first celebrant was born on the 24th of January, 1966. With our Lord's blessings, that day marked the first light of a life that would grow in wisdom, faith, and quiet strength. And now it is her voice that will tell her story best. Let us warmly welcome our first celebrant, Nori.
Go on, leave me breathless. Come on. The daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie. From you I cannot hide. And I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, till I can't deny this is love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, till I can't deny this is love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. So yeah, come on. And I can't lie. From you I cannot hide. And I've lost my will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on.
Good journey, I must say. There is so much to be thankful for all the blessings I have received. I only hope that I have been worthy of them and that I have somehow paid them forward in full. My life is not at all that roses. It has had its joys and wonderful moments, but it has also presented struggles, hardships, and challenges for my childhood. Well into my university years, to my adulthood, to my country of birth, to living almost a third of my life in the land of the rising sun, where ancient traditions meet modern innovation, and finally to living in the country of my own choosing. All of this has shaped the person I am today. The road that I have traveled has made me stronger and wiser. When I was younger, I would sometimes wonder, what if my family situation had been different? Would things have been better? But as the years pass, I realize that there are things beyond our control, and that life unfolds as it should. Every experience carries its own risk, and it is upon us to seize each moment and turn it into something better, even something beautiful. Above all, I praise and thank our Lord God for the gift of life and for giving me my family, my nanay and tatay, who I know are still looking down upon me for my love, supported, and embraced me with an unconditional love. And my siblings, together with my own family in Australia, whom I love dearly. Most especially, I am grateful for all the people I have met throughout my life's journey, from grade school, high school, and university to those who have stayed and become lifelong friends. And to my chosen family who continue to show up for me through the years. Each of you has contributed bits and pieces to my meaningful existence. To have had the pleasure of being your friend in all these years, it is my privilege, and I am truly grateful. As we celebrate tonight, together with two other friends who share the same milestone, I look forward to the years we will continue to make and share. To grow old gracefully with all of you, and to continue living a beautiful life shaped by our shared experiences. And if the past 6 decades have taught me anything, it is this. Life is not about perfection, but about gratitude, faith, and the courage to keep becoming. That is what I carry with me, with candor, with a grateful heart, and with the hope that you will continue to celebrate and walk with me as I journey through the years ahead.
As a salute to her 6 decades of loving, caring, and inspiring. Raised to the stories she has shared, the memories she has made, and the adventures that lies ahead for her. We welcome our next celebrant, who is the epitome of classical beauty, both inside and out. Bobby!
Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ilang beses ko pa naman sasabihin sa'yo, sa piling mo'y tanggal ang lumbay, ni kasiyahan walang kapit.
may see changes on the outside, but on the inside, he still possesses the same zest for life. If not more, than someone who is new to the world. And this is also meant to insinuate that there is anything wrong with the outside, for, in my humble opinion, I am the personification of the age-old proverb that if a person is beautiful internally, it will reflect on them externally, right? In other words, I'm aging as one's supposed to age, or let me say, as we would all want to age, by becoming more beautiful, more pronounced, and more healthy to survive rather than decay. Indeed, one of the greatest aspirations in life is to become a better version of myself. To have people look at me and say, "What's your secret?" Suddenly, this opportunity presented itself to me to give this speech. I won't shy away, of course, not only for the chance to wish myself a happy birthday, but also to explain in front of everyone in this interconnected world how great life is and share much inspiration to the life that I have touched. Happy 60th birthday to myself. I'm hopeful, grateful, and praying that I'll forever sparkle and shine like priceless diamonds spread under the glorious rays of the sun. To God, my everything, to my loving husband Harry, my anchor, to my family, my life, and to my dear friends who are here, my kindred. To God be all the glory, to the next 60. Happy birthday to me, Bobby Allen God Jeffries.
And of course, we've saved the best for last. Pasensya na po kayo, yung next celebrant kasi po mismo ang nagsulat ng sarili niyang intro. Tagabasa lang po kami. She's a bedista turned Atenista turned scholar ng bayan. A beauty queen turned beauty queen maker. A fashion designer turned fashion educator. A seasoned world traveler. A Facebook resident specializing in Throwback Thursdays. A game show enthusiast. And once upon a time in her already colorful life, she did a cameo in a sitcom, appearing alongside veteran actresses Miss Alma Moreno and Miss Dina Bonnevie, which yours truly had the honor of helming. More importantly, she's a staunch advocate of pushing the cause of children within the autism spectrum, born out of love for her niece Pia. These many feathers in her cap attest to the multifaceted person that she is. A testament to her being, that there is so much more to her than meets the eye. Ladies and gentlemen, our last but certainly not the least celebrant, John P.
Where did you get those lovely eyes? This pretty lady, and that exciting winsome smile. This beanie beanie. Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have? What miracle is this? Who wouldn't love the way her skin is kissed by golden sunlight? This fascinating gem so rare. Ooh, she's the perfect symbol of the people, rich in heritage and love. What a lovely, pretty, captivating, so exciting. This girl's for surely Kasama ng nakakatunaw nating hindi nga malayong ikaw ay hulog di bathala. Pag ika'y tumaway natutulala na.
Ang eleganteng kilos mo, the way you work that thing, Diyos ko. Malapit na kitang maging gusto, parang gusto ko na nga maging irog mo.
Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have? What miracle is this?
Binibining nakabibigani, parang ako'y nakangiti palagi. Pag ika'y nandyan, walang paglagyan ng pananabik sa'yo sa tuwing babati.
Chills every time you greet us. Can you feel that spark between us? That's my kind of full arenas. The beauty of Binibining Pilipinas. She's the perfect symbol of the people, rich in heritage and love. What a lovely, pretty, captivating, so exciting. This girl's will surely win your heart. Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, oh. She's the perfect symbol of the people, rich in heritage and love. What a lovely, pretty, captivating, so exciting. This girl's will surely win your heart. Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, Binibining Pilipinas, oh, oh, Binibining Pilipinas.
Months that is. And what a ride it's been. I've been so blessed to have Lord, the Lord himself by a blessing, and count the blessings and the fullness that is with us. On the top of my list of God's blessings is my family. Though my kid is the only one present, I give a loud, loving shout out to my life now. My mom, siblings, among kids and relatives. How fortunate am I to still have my mom, all hale and healthy, who just celebrated her 90th birthday last month. And what an unexpected gift God gave to me and Pia, my greatest joy, the love of my life. Thank you, Lord, for a downpour of true friends, for my sisters from San Beda and my brothers too, my Ateneo side batchmates, my Bucon rivals and friends, my fashion industry colleagues, my pageant daughters, students and co-teachers, my besties and besties, frenemies, and even my ex-lovers. What a joy it is to have crossed paths with you all. I attended the best schools. I've traveled the world. I've won so much that I've lost. I've not just had one, but 2 careers where I get to do what I love and be great at it. Not to jinx it, but I slay at life. And with God's grace and nothing but gratitude in my heart, I pray that I can continue to do so. So let's party, people, because 60 has never looked this good.
Another round of applause for our celebrants. And maybe ask our celebrants to please come on stage again after a few shots.
We'd like to call on selected guests as representative well-wishers to deliver speeches to our celebrants. First up, let us welcome on stage Nikki Martinez to share her words to her ate, Jonty. Nikki Martinez.
Nikki.
Okay, the best thing about being a younger sibling is that I get to have a loving and caring ate like my sister. You are the quintessential big sister, from helping me with my school projects to teaching me how to draw and appreciate colors. You even supported me when I joined beauty pageants. And of course, you guided me in the ins and outs of the fashion industry. I have watched you achieving your goals, from getting medals from elocution contests in school, for winning cross and several crowns from several beauty pageants, and then getting numerous awards as a fashion designer. But with all those awards, you have remained so grounded. In 2020, it was a big challenge for all of us. We had to close our shop for 20 years, and because of the pandemic. During that time, I was heartbroken seeing you losing your drive in designing. But you overcame with focusing on taking care of our mom, and developed your love in watercolor painting. You always have a knack of making a difficult situation very light with an innate sense of humor. I don't think I could ever survive the pandemic without you. With God's grace, the Lord led you to your new path as a teacher. And I have witnessed you back and soaring high in your newfound passion. But thinking about your life now, you've definitely become a mentor. To your younger siblings, to your nephews and nieces, to the beauty queens that you train, and now for the young fashion designers, young fashion students, and fashion designers in the future. From you, we learned how to do all things with kindness and humor. With all things you have taught us, we can all say that we are very proud to be mentored by you. Now that you're entering your senior citizen era, much as you don't look like it, may you have a healthy mind and body so that you could continue to inspire more people you meet. And like what I've said, when you turn 50, which still applies now, I will always be here by your side. I will always have your back, and I will always be here cheering you on the sidelines. Happy birthday, my ate, and I love you.
Nikki, please remain on stage. At this point, we'd like to call on the flower girl to the stars, Miss Pencil Diestra, to bring over and hand over the bouquets of flowers. Kindly hand it over to Nikki. Delivery girl ka lang, Pencil. Pasensya na. Thank you, Nikki.
Thank you, Nikki.
Pencil, dyan ka lang, ha? We still need you. Next, we'd like to call on Nori's college friend and kumare, Miss Candy Ruiz Witting. I hope I pronounce your name right. For her kind and thoughtful words. Miss Candy.
Good evening, everyone. I'll be honest, I'm not someone who loves speaking in front of a crowd, but when Nori asks you to do something, you don't hesitate. Especially that we've been friends for more than 30 years. I've known Nori since college at UP Diliman. Even then, she had this calm confidence about her. Beautiful, elegant, intelligent. While the rest of us were still struggling, how to figure out our lives, Nori already seemed steady with a clear vision of how to succeed in school and in life in general. She's the godmother of our firstborns, and that feels so fitting because she's exactly the kind of person you'd want her children to look up to. Kind, thoughtful, and strong. Life brought her to Australia, but distance never changed her. She always shows up, she always makes time, and she always makes you feel valued. Nori, 60 isn't just a milestone, it's a celebration of a life lived with grace, generosity, and deep friendship. On behalf of your UP Diliman Mares, some of them are actually here. Yeah, over there on that table. And your inaanaks, Martina, Ethan, Patis, who are here to celebrate this amazing evening. We love you. Happy 60th to you, Nori, and also to John P. and Bobby. Wishing you all good health, joy, and abundance. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Candy. Again, I'd like to ask and still to hand over the bouquet of flowers. Sonia?
Maraming salamat, Miss Candy. And lastly, we'd like to request Bobby's high school senpai, Miss Melo Abundo, for her speech for Bobby.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening. To begin with, together with everyone who's honored to be here tonight, I extend our earnest birthday greetings to our three lovely celebrants. I was asked to pay tribute to young Betty's sister Bobby, and I gladly accepted. During our San Beda High School days, I was impressed by her striking beauty, the gorgeous face, those beautiful dimples to match, and bubbly personality that was warm and genuine. You are. I remember her shiny, healthy hair, still shiny and healthy. One day it was flipped like fire faucet, and the next day it's like apple look. A clear indication that she discovered the curling iron. I often wondered Bobby was a lady player or standing, or maybe even both. One weekend, our graduating batch of 1979 organized a Miss San Beda Beauty contest, which I won. After then, the Miss San Beda tradition started. Since I won, I organized the next one at my place. Bobby won as Miss San Beda in 1981. It was 81. A well-deserved beauty queen. After high school, we parted ways. The next time I saw Bobby was on her wedding day to Hari in Antipolo. The young Bobby had blossomed into a radiant bride, graceful in her white bridal gown. She was glowing with love and happiness. She had become a confident woman who chased her dreams and achieved them. Tonight is another milestone, a celebration of life well lived, deserving of our respect and admiration. You are still the Bobby I know, kind-hearted, mabait, kind-hearted, beautiful, loves to chat, madaldal. Yes, masarap kausap. Walang nabago sa ugali, kalong pa rin. Gumanda lang ng sobra.
Miss Bella, I would like you to hold that thought on your speech. And may we ask everyone to please stand up, hold their glasses for a toast to our celebrants. And may we request for drinks also to our celebrants on stage.
Okay, I would like to propose a toast to Bobby, Jonty, and Nori. May God continue to bless you. Happy 60th birthday, ladies. Ladies of San Beda.
Cheers!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
We will now declare seats, and we will ask Benson again to hand over to Miss Melo the bouquet of flowers. Thank you everyone. Pwede na po kayong maupo. Salamat po. Sonia?
So touching. And as a special gesture of celebration, Miss Mello requested the honor of crowning our celebrants. On this momentous occasion, Miss Mello, please.
Thank you very much. Let me welcome you to the 3 successful ladies of San Beda. And I would like to crown them our Binibini San Beda. The Binibinis of San Beda, please. I'll have the tiaras. Thank you. Okay, how do you
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
This one is, I love the feather.
I feel so blessed and thankful that everyone we care for are here today.
Thank you everybody for being here tonight. This is a milestone for the two.
I feel all the love. Yes, Ate? Yes. From Sydney? From Victoria, Melbourne. I feel all the love and thank you each and everyone for taking the time and making themselves so beautiful that everyone looks glamorous. Thank you.
As glamorous as the 3 of you. Thank you.
Again, we'd like to ask Miss Mello to please proceed with the crowning.
The next Binibining San Beda is Jonty. Last but not the least, my Australian sister, Nori.
Thank you, Miss Mello. And thank you to Pencil too. Thank you, Miss Melo. Ay. A round of applause for Miss
Thank you,
Melo
Miss Mello.
Abundo.
A round of applause, please.
Ngayon naman po, we'd like to ask the celebrants to blow the candles on their respective birthday cakes. So may we have the birthday cakes handed over to our celebrants. O kanya-kanyang kuha ng cake ba ito?
Grabe, brownie.
Oo. Akala ko birthday party, human pala ito. Oh my God. Hindi tayo na-inform. Ang haba-haba pa ng script.
3 crowns.
Oo.
Being queens forever.
Oh yes. In their own rights.
Yes, in their own right.
Kaya po ba yung cake? Abot po ba? Ay, inakit talaga yung mga table. Oh. Major production number pala ito.
Carrying up the crate. Okay.
Ano po balita sa lighter? Or phosphor?
Tapos,
So ladies, may we ask to please approach your respective cakes? Siyempre naman po, as per tradition, before our celebrants blow their birthday cake, we would have to sing them the birthday song.
yes, birthday song po kanta.
So birthday song,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday! Birthday to you!
yes ladies,
In 3,
2, 1.
blow!
Happy birthday!
Grabe.
Ay, actually, hindi lang po silang tatlo ang may birthday this month. We'd also like to acknowledge 2 more celebrants. My co-host, Miss Sonia Albayani, who celebrated her birthday on the 23rd.
Thank you, sister.
At the person in charge, one of our main organizers in charge of our food tonight, Kuya Ramon Santos, who celebrated his birthday on the 26th. Kuya Ramon, Sonia. Okay, may we roll in the next set of birthday cakes.
Bigay mo. Ano, card mo, nabigay mo. Wala na rin ako sunod, kakanta na lang to. Kakanta na lang. Kakanta.
Ako sana umabot ang birthday cake. My God, baka April na. Mabubuhay na muli si Cristo ang birthday cake pag hindi pa dumating.
Nag-judge
Happy birthday to us.
May we have another round of the birthday song? Pakisindihan po ang kandila. Wala pong saysay na mag-blow ng candle kung walang sindi. Game kuya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay na yan kuya, baka Easter Sunday na hindi pa tayo tapos. Happy birthday, Zion! Happy birthday, Kuya Ramon! Thank you! Okay. Again, we will ask the celebrants to please take their seats. Yes, Kuya Ramon.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to us!
Nasa page 10 of 35 pa lang kami ng script. So alam
Happy
niyo
birthday to us! Duno!
pamorningan ito.
Okay.
At this point, to serenade our celebrants, may we call on our guest celebrity singer for tonight.
Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Carlo
Carlo
Orosa.
Orosa!
That you came into my life. You asked for my name. You have the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will turn out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? There was an empty place in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I've had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? There was an empty space
gorgeous ladies. And to Bobby, I just wish you all the best. May you all have many, many, many more years, 60 and beyond. Mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Carlo Orosa. Maraming pong salamat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Ay, nako, syempre, Temi. Sa gabing ito, hindi lang ang mga celebrants ang espesyal. Pati na rin ang ating mga panauhin.
Tama ka dyan, Son.
Palakpakan tayo sa mga panauhin natin. May energy pa ba?
Kami wala na. Charot. And so, to honor our guests tonight, we are giving out special awards in the form of gift prizes to be handed out by our celebrants. Yes, Sonia.
Unahin na natin ang pinakauna sa lahat. Ang walang kamatayang Early Bird Award. Hindi dahil siya ang pinakaunang dumating na guest sa venue, pero dahil siya ang pinakaunang pumirma sa guest book. At ang Early Bird Awardee ngayong gabi ay si...
Drum roll, wala ba? Okay, baka sa Easter Sunday pa dumating. And the winner is Sonia, go!
And the winner is from Emmy Roble.
Congratulations!
Miss Emmy Roble, the Early Bird Award.
Nasa si Miss Emmy?
Yan na, palakpakan naman natin ang Early Bird Award.
Nasa po ang gift prize, celebrants?
Award, pero late ang pate.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Miss Emmy.
So, ang susunod na mga awards, marami ito, ay ang Best Dress Awards. The awardees were selected by distinguished guests from the Fashion Design and Merchandising Program faculty of the College of St. Benil and fashion designer members of the Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines, or FDAP. First off, we have the Best Dressed Male chosen by Miss Ionica Abraham Lim, Fashion Design and Merchandising Program Chair at CSP. And the Best Dressed Male of the night is Mr. Wilbur Lim. Alam na, nabibili ang award. Charot! Miss Ionica, umanda ka sa ako mamaya.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Okay, we're next. Congratulations. Next, we have the Best Dressed Female in Black, chosen by Mr. Edgar San Diego, former FDAP President, at siya ay walang iba kundi si the Best Dressed Female in Black, chosen by Edgar San Diego, is Badette Lico.
Congratulations, Badette!
Badette Lico, Best Dressed Female in Black. Badette.
Congratulations, Badette! Oh!
Yes.
Ang sunod naman po nating award ay the Best Dressed Female in White, chosen by Mr. Ole Morabe, former FDA President. And she is no other than Miss Margie Gutierrez.
Congratulations, Margie. Happy birthday. Of course, Mama Norman Pai, happy birthday also.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay. To our last Best Dressed awardee, Best Dressed Female is Black and White, chosen by Mr. Ronaldo Arnaldo, this fashion designer and FAAP member, and that lady is Mimi Morales.
Mimi, hindi tayo pwedeng abutin ng Easter Sunday, sinabi ko na. Mamaya nyo na tsikahin yung mga celebrants. Sasaktan ko itong tatlong to, tsaka itong mga awardees na to eh. Dali, nasa page 15 of 35 pa lang tayo ng script. Thank you, Mimi. Go away.
Mimi Morales.
Congratulations. Our next awardee is the Female Face of the Night, chosen by Miss Maricar Tolosa, Binibining Pilipinas International 2001. And our Female Face of the Night is, hindi naman po sinabing porket Female Face of the Night, maganda. Patunay po yan ang winner tonight. Fudge Silva! Miss Fudge Silva.
Ang Cristina Gonzalez of Perderena.
Ngayon alam niyo na kung bakit siya ang nanalo. Subukan niyong lumapit.
Correct.
Halika na, Fudge! Diyos ko, bakla! Pang Sunday show ito, hindi Easter Sunday show. Ano ba kayo? Masakit magtiin. Ayan na, hindi na makapanik, alam niyo na.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Margie! Yes, Sonia! Kaya pa ba? Kaya mo yan. Hindi ka kasi nagsuot ng antipara mo. Ayan. Bahala ka dyan. Buti pa ako. May karago tong contact lenses kong gray.
Ito na po tayo.
Hindi ko halata, ano? Natural color yan eh.
Maliwanag ang ilaw, sorry.
O, go! Bilisan mo!
Ang award po na ay for the Star of the Night. And our female face Star of the Night,
Male or female?
male or female, chosen by one of the Glorians of the Philippine fashion design, Mr. Oscar Peralta, at ang Star of the Night ay si Maricar Tolosa.
Oh. Take note, 2001 pa siya na crown. Oh. Kahit na lumaban niya ng 2026, winner pa rin.
Diba? Congratulations, Miss Maricar Tolosa.
Congrats, Miss Maricar. At magmukha man lang ang kurara sa binibini. O, yung pa-picture para ulit. Congratulations to all the awardees tonight. Yes, Sonia?
Maganda. And say, naano ko kay Miss Marcal. And of course, before they leave the stage, our celebrants, we'd like to ask our celebrants for a few words to our guests.
In behalf of my co-celebrants, Bobby and Johnny, I would like to thank you all for taking the time to come here and celebrate with us and make yourselves glamorous and hope you enjoy the night. Thank you.
Yes, I would like to thank everyone who made the effort to show their beautiful selves here tonight. I would also like to thank, from the top of my head, the many people behind this wonderful evening. Kuya Ramon, I love you. Of course, Sonia and Terry for hosting this event. Teka, ang dami for the cake, si Mitch. Yes, and for the dolls, kay Nikki. For the flowers, si Pencil. Sino pa ba? Sandali pa ito makalimutan ako. Gamaliel, yung hindi nakapunta. Ang beloved Gamaliel from San Beda. And for Bong Ola, and Camilo for our delicious lechon.
Miss Raymond Goa.
Yes, and basta, of course, sa aming mga glam teams, mga Louie, Perla, and Ina Maria. Ay, ang dami. Sorry po, baka hindi ako So, okay, thank you very much. This is very unforgettable.
First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I guess they already told everything, so I just want to thank everybody, especially my friends, my classmates from abroad who came here just to celebrate with us. My classmates from San Beda, my USC friends, my Japayuki friends, my childhood friends, oh my God, 30 years, right? In Industrial Valley, and where else? Kamuning! Oh my God! Sa Kamuning! My friend Brazil, Saza, everybody. And most of all, we have to thank God to make us celebrate with us, right? Without God, nothing is impossible. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Brenda too from Japan, I'm sorry. Brenda. Yeah, thank you. Let's party after this.
Thank you, ladies. So, if you may now leave the stage to prepare. With another musical performance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Miss Naomi Narumi.
To dedicate this song to our birthday celebrants. Diba? Senadora. Miss John D, Miss Nori, and Miss Bobby. Of course, before I continue my song, I would like to invite every one of you to dance with me. Okay? Madali lang ang steps. Okay. DJ, to the top. Alright! Alright! Lunok-lunok, Miss Janet.
Okay. Minasan, Terry, kabami nyo magkaroon ng game. May energy pa? Yes? Yes?
Kaya pa?
Kaya pa, may game ako.
Wala naman kayong choice. Kailangan nung kayanin.
Kayanin nyo.
Okay na ba?
Game na ba tayo?
Okay, let's go. First category.
First category, our three celebrities are claiming their senior citizenship this year. Dahil ayaw namin mapagod ng mga senior citizen, naming bisita, maaari na po kayo umupo.
Basta po 60 years old na ba?
60 na ba? Pwede na po umupo para hindi po mapagod.
Yung mga mukha pong 60 pero wala pang 60 at gusto na rin maupo, pagbibigyan namin kayo. Wala namang problema. Ay, sorry, John. Wala yung pangalawa mo. Sorry ka.
Okay.
Next, the three ladies met and graduated from San Beda High School. Kung ikaw ay nag-aaral o nagtrabaho once upon a time sa San Beda, kahit na saang branch, kahit San Beda, Minalo pa yan, please take your seat. So apologies daw po sa mga klase sa dalawang table from San Beda High. So, ay, hindi ako alam, gusto na rin yung script ko lang yan. Ano yan, alam niyo na ako sa inyo.
Next, category 3. All three celebrants are beauty title holders. Mga beauty queen po sila. I'm sure karamihan sa mga bisita natin dito ay mga beauty queen. So, para mabawasan ang nakatayo, umupo na po sa kanilang mga trono ang mga ng-title na sa beauty contest. Take note, title. Title ko, hindi ko kasama sa bilang ang runner-up. Kaya po mga beauty queen, upo.
Yes. Yung mga Miss Congeniality, Best Long Gown Costume, Best Season, hindi ko kasama yun. Title na.
Beauty queen, sit down. Ay, marami pa.
Parang kasama din talaga ng show.
Wala na laban.
Si John Day panganay sa kanilang magkakapatid, samantalang si Bobby naman ang bunso. Kung hindi ka panganay or bunso, please take your seat. Kung ikaw naman ay only child, manatili na tayo dahil parehong ikaw ang panganay at bunso.
Okay, child.
Ang dami panganay at bunso dito, unfair.
Fairness. Okay, category.
Ikaw.
Ako. Upo ako.
Gusto mo upunta rin tayo, John?
Si Nori ay isang nurse sa Australia. Kung ikaw ay nagbibilang sa medical profession, doktor, nurse, therapist, pharmacist, midwife, caregiver, saludo po kami sa inyo. Pero, maaari na po kayo umupo.
Kasama na pa mga kumadrona, mahihilot, mambabarang, mambabarang, talaga mo po, mambabarang, si John D. at Tori ay mga solid Yorania. Kung fan din kayo ng namayakang national artist, magaling ang inyong taste sa artista. Ngunit kailangan nyo nang maupo. Ay, ganun naman yan, oh. Tahut sa mga bata.
Okay. Sige. Si Nori at Bobby ay iPhone users. Kung iPhone ang cellphone mo, ang dami mong pera ha, ay hindi naman. Tapos, pwede na kayo umupo. Upo ang mga iPhone users. Upo!
Nakilala ni Bobby ang kanyang asawang si Harry through a dating app. Kung ikaw ay gumagamit ng dating app, gaya ng Tinder, Grindr, Bumble, Growler, sana ay naging kasimpalad ka ni Bobby and you will take your seat. Ang Temu, Shein, Shopee, Lazada ay hindi yung dating apps. Please. Hindi po. Hiniliman na namin kayo.
Okay, marami pa.
Pero palagay ko pag sinama natin, wala na naman kayo ba yan?
Okay. Eto na. Si Bobby ay laking Marikina. Nandito tayo sa Marikina ngayon para ipagdiwang ang kaarawan ng tatlong magandang bilang. Kung ikaw ang taga Marikina, ang swerte mo kasi nakatipid ka sa gas, pero malas mo dahil kailangan mo umupo. Kung ikaw ang taga Marikina,
Ilan ba po na kayo?
Ilan ba na kayo?
1, 2, show hands please, 3, 4,
Yes,
5. Ilan na kayo pa po rin?
Ito ba kayo ba tayo? Yes.
Kasi isa lang ang winner, di ba?
Isa lang ang winner.
So dadaanin po natin ito sa walang kamatayan. Siya lang kayo po. Ako po ang kalaban.
Okay.
Grabe, di ba? Sasaka yung mature na program na ito. Yung mga ano pa kitas ng braso, ay magiging mag-challenge mo.
Dami mo tayo.
Ano ba ito challenge sa show mo? Challenge. Sa una po ba ito? Bato, tingnan lang. Hindi na, hindi mo ba? Ano ba kayo? Bato, tingnan na ba? Okay. Ay, hindi mas ka? Bato, beat! So, yung kayong paper at saka bato. Ikaw bibigyan ka tsaka mo ito eh. Upo ka nga. Okay. Ilan pa po? Taas kamay. Alam mo? Mapasensya na po. Ilan pa? 4, 5. Bato, beat! Yung kaya mo ba? Yung paper na kung manalo, ilan na nagdagawa na na. Pero kasi nga lang ang magkano. Ay, ilan ba kayo? 3? Ma'am, bato kayo, di ba? Anong iyan nyo kanina? Ay, pagbato mo ang talo po kayo. Dapat po paper. Kasi nakabato ka. So yung natin, bato, beat! Hindi ako winner. Thank you!
Nanalo, highlight ng celebration natin ngayong gabi.
Sa kinakahaba ngayon pala talaga ang highlight. O siya, ano yan?
Eto na. Due to insistent personal demand by themselves, here is a special dance number from none other than our celebrants. Friends, put your hands together for
Nori, Bobby, and Jonty!
Manood kayo! Kung gusto nyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Crystal Room is proud to present the club debut of America's newest recording stars, The Dreams.
Every man has his own special dream, and your dream is just about to come true. Life's not as bad as it may seem if you open your eyes to what's in front of you. Do your dream girls, boys, will make you happy? Yeah. Do your dream girls, boys, will always care?
of applause for our celebrants, ladies and gentlemen. Brava! Brava! Brava!
Congratulations, Bongga! Happy birthday!
Any final words to our guests tonight?
Ay, thank you pala again. Siguro ang damit ko kanina. My student, Dion Esteliana, yung Red Cross, yung Leonard. And of course, sa lahat ng mga dumalo, again, you made this night very special for all of us.
Yes, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I forgot to say, thank my glam team, Perla, JM, and them for making me so glamorous for tonight. Thank you.
Again, my heartfelt gratitude and thank you to each and everyone. I would like to mention my glam team, Inang Maria and Dan, to my UP, Fatima, Sanbeda, Malabon, and all other friends, my Japayuki friends. I love you all for all taking the time, and to all the people who have made time for this.
And Jojo, my stylist.
Muchas gracias. And thank you also to the people abroad who came here just to attend this party. Dada, Abong, Ari, Ferdy, Sasha, I love you. Ray, thank you very much. Sino pa ba mga nagsiuwian para dito? Maraming salamat. Ang mahal ng pamasahe ngayon. But you still made the effort. Thank you again, my Sanbeda brothers, my Ateneo BSI family, my Benil co-teachers and students. Sino pa ba? Mga kontesera ng 90s. Palakpak kayo. Yeah, and to my only family who's here, my cousin-in-law who came all the way from San Francisco. Rolly, thank you.
Of course, all the community from the host Sonia, Tammy, Mama Louie, Kuya Ramon, the DJ,
Yes,
the Campo Band,
Constin, Sir Fernan, maraming
Carlo,
salamat.
Rosa,
Yes.
Naomi.
Pasalamat lahat. Hindi naman namin kaya to. It takes the village to make this event possible. Nikki for the dolls.
Uy, also Janet from Japan.
Ay, si Janet.
I'm sorry. There's so many people.
Yeah,
tapos na saya.
And lastly, my friend Noel, okay. Okay, so the night is still young and so are we. And there's lots of drinks provided by my co-celebrants, so let's party.
Yeah, let's party.